Hi everyone and welcome to our weekly market outlook. Hope guys that you're doing good, hope that you're fine and hope that you are making money. Okay, I got some private messages about previous weekly market outlook that people are making money. Okay, so that's really good. I'm really glad that you guys are making money because this is the purpose of this webinar, that everyone will be making money. Okay, so if you have any questions, just feel free to use the chat. Those who are watching on TradingView, just use the chat. I will see your question and I will answer all the questions that you have. For those who are watching us on YouTube, same to you. Just use the chat on YouTube and I will answer the question that you will have. Okay, so for the next week, there's one more news. Okay, next week I will be making a daily webinar. So every day I will make a daily webinar and we will go live. So what I will do in those daily webinars, I will show you the setups that are in the making for the upcoming day, for the potential day, and where we have the most, how to say, accuracy to trade the setup. Okay, so this will be really good. So make sure that you will join us also during the week. I will be making it since Monday to Friday, every day 1 hour at least it will be, and you will be also able to ask the questions. There we will also take a look on Forex, commodities, and crypto, of course. So make sure you will not miss it. And please, I will be glad if you can share the link with others so many traders can see and can join us so they will also make some money. So let's go, let's start. This week I didn't post a lot of setups there on TradingView. There was just a couple of setups and they are still in play. Okay, so pound USD, what we can see there, this is the ending diagonal, which is still in the making. Okay, so the question now is when this will break down. Okay, so I see it will break down really soon. Okay, so make sure you will not lose the patient and make sure you will not lose the money. So don't just jumping blindly into it. Try to sell only from the top. Okay, so extend the trend line and try to get in from those tops. Or if you will miss it, try to join on breakout. Okay, this wasn't the breakout. Okay, so your entry should not be placed over there. You can only place once you will see there the strong candle will appear. Okay, something like this, then you will be able to join it over there. In case if you're not in from the top, if you're in from the top, you're doing really good job and you are safe. Okay, so once you are in, you put that on break even, you got topped out on break even, and then you will enter it again, and now it struggles, it will go down. Now you place that entry again or trade on break even, and now you are just watching. Okay, so those entries are really good if you know how to enter them. Okay, here's the update, how that was developing. This is the current picture. Okay, so just watch it. It will break down. If you're not sure how to trade those stops, okay, then join simply on strong break to the downside. Okay, those breakdown, it's much more, how to say, there's much more potential to catch this trade. Okay, top to try the to catch the top, it's really hard sometimes. Okay, you need some knowledge and experience to catch it. So yeah, watch it and keep an eye, take some money on it and enjoy the profits. LSK Bitcoin, there was the one setup which went down a little bit and we didn't trigger any trades. Okay, so as you can see there, if you trigger the trade over there, you should and close it on a break even over there because there was the pullback. Okay, so if you take the buy over there, in case if you take it, that should be your closing position. Okay, so closing sign. So what you can do also now, if you still didn't close it, now you have to close it. Okay, close it and you will re-enter it a little bit later. Okay, I will show you everything later on. I will go step by step through all the forex pairs, commodities, stocks, and crypto. So first, I would like to just explain what is active there on my published list. New Zealand cat. That one, it's still there. Setup, it's still struggling there at the top. It just went for new high. Nothing has changed. Okay, the setup, it's still for the downside. So keep your eyes for your sell setups over there. New Zealand USD, same there. Okay, so what the chart did, it just break down really nicely. Okay, so if you took a break even trade there, okay, this is also good. If not, keep holding. Okay, so if you're holding from there, if you're holding from there, you should, this one should be cut to trade, okay? And if not, you will watch again for sell, okay? There is the 1 hour time frame which is trying to correct itself, so make sure you will watch this 1 hour time frame over there and to keep pushing lower. If price will become aggressive, it will just spike to the upside, break that, and then you will be keep watching for sell, okay? So you will not give up and stop watching for your sell setups. Here are the updates, okay? So this is how you will have to catch it. Nice trade over there, potential to the downside. Now you can see that the chart is building over there, more sell to downside, okay? So why this thing is not opening? Okay, no, perfect. So what you will do, you will simply watch how that correction will develop in the upcoming days, okay? This will be probably Monday, Tuesday. You will catch this trade, okay? You want to see the strong break to the downside. In case if this will come to the to start breaking to the upside, you can take the trade, but yeah, this will be really short term trade. You have to be really skilled and very careful, okay? This is only for my students and my traders which are well educated and they know how to exit in case if this trade will go against them, okay? So they have special rules how to exit and how to manage the trade on break even. But for those who are not experienced and not well trained, okay, you just simply watch only for a sell setups, okay? Only sell setup is your target and keep on watching it and simply join the strong break to downside, okay? Really simple, no complications. Here's the cat. Okay, we were anticipating the deeper pullback. It went up a little bit, started to struggle. Now it's pushing higher. I still don't think that this is all the correction. If you think that this is all the correction, just simply put an buy order over there and you will see if this will go all the way back that trend line. Okay, but this could get a little bit complicated. It can go for one more down and then it can go up. So make sure you are careful with your buy setups. DXY, okay, this is the old idea. Okay, I haven't reposed that idea. It went down. Okay, now it started to push higher, higher, higher. Okay, it went lower and then it's going for one more high. So what can we anticipate there? One more high, break this top, take the trend line, and then we'll see a reversal over there on DXY. Okay, so make sure you watch those are yes. Okay, Pandas, you have a new chart. Use the oil. That one it's struggling there. It's getting a little bit complicated, but it will be still the buy. Okay, we'll show you later on the bigger picture. Same there with UK oil. Okay, it started to pushing higher. If anyone of you took that buy, you should close it on break even. You have enough time. So yeah, that was all. Sugar still correcting to the downside. No, that one was down. Sorry, it went up and now there is correcting. Okay, sorry. This is the correction. It's gone. Pound the end, hit the profit taking profit area. So yeah, those are the old ideas. Now I will show step by step the Forex pairs. I will start with the silver and then I will move on. Okay, so let me start. Okay, just a second, guys. Just a minute. Okay, I'm back. So let's go. Silver, what I do anticipate there is there was a nice buy, okay? So if you catch it, you can move on break even or take profit, okay? If you will take profit over there, you're doing great job, okay? You have joined there, taking profit off, wonderful, okay? So why? Because this can just go for the bigger correction, at least 1 hour correction, and then pushing higher. So you will be just re-entering a little bit later. So how far can we anticipate this to go? Okay, we can anticipate this to simply cross the top, okay? So like this one, you see? We can see the break of top and then we can see the turning point, okay? So keep an eye there, watch for your sell setups after this egg, okay? Gold, same there, okay? It just went up. I closed my trade with a break even. It didn't go far and it didn't go well, okay? So my entry was somewhere there and it went up and I now close it on a break even. So what you can do now, let me have a look on 4 hour structure. What is it saying? You can sell the sharp breakdown, okay? You can sell the sharp breakdown in case it will appear over there in the upcoming days, probably on Monday, Tuesday, will be there, but we will take a look on it on Monday. Okay, on Monday daily webinar. DXY. Okay, as you can see there, we are there in this bigger correction. I don't think this is I don't think this is all the correction, and we will see the price moving lower. Okay, I'm anticipating that move. Okay, anticipating this move there, and then we may see a nice buy order. Okay. So what you will do, you'll wait for the buy setups over there, and then you can go for a nice short-term buying order. So that means you will have to start watching for a sell setups on your USD. Okay, I'm not watching the DXY. Let me move back. I'm not watching it to break down totally. Okay, at least not yet. I don't see this scenario. If you're already selling it, okay, if you took some sales over there, you're doing a really job. Put that on break even. Okay, but I'm not for this move. I am watching this. The DXY will go for the upside, then I will see the sales on your USD. So make sure you will watch there where sell stops once the market will open. Okay, it can go slowly back to those lows. Okay, somewhere there, or at least tagging the trend line. This will be the setup. So watch for your sales. Will not be watching for buy. Okay, buy it's not interested. And if in case if buy will appear, okay, if this will start to push higher really aggressively, you know where it goes. Okay, it will just go simply tag that trend line because this will become a bigger pattern over there, and then it will go to the downside. Still downside will be in place. So what will be my scenario in case if this buy will start to appear? I will just simply ignore this buy. Okay, I want to miss this buy because I don't want to miss the sell. Okay, the logic is simple. So I just can focus only on one wave. USD chief, what can you anticipate there? Okay, struggling there, small push to the upside, ignore it. Okay, then we'll watch for the sell. Okay, so USD chief, it's not looking good at the moment, so we will simply skip it. USD cat, okay, if you want to sell, I'm already in the sell from somewhere there. Okay, my sell was there, and my stop was somewhere there, and now I'm in the profit already. We'll watch once the market will open how the price will behave over there. Okay, this is the spot where I will have to make a decision. If not, then I will end it up easily on a break even. Okay, and then may I will start watch for buy. Okay, but this buy will not go far. Buy will be only back to the trend line. Okay, this will be the buy. Okay, but keep an eye. Let me just show you. Okay, once this trend line will be breaking, then you can start watching for buy. Okay, no buying earlier, no buying there in this structure. So what you will do at the moment from there where it is, where the price is struggling right now, you cannot do anything. You can only sell the strong breakdown, or you can buy a strong break to the upside. Okay, so you have only two decisions, but you just have to keep an eye at the moment that the chart will get ready. Don't chase the current price. Okay, current market price, it's quite risky at the moment. Aussie USD, what can we anticipate there? I think that this is all the correction from more to the downside. Okay, so this is the 1, 2, 3. Okay, so simple correction, it's over there, and I think that this it will just simply push all the way back down, at least making new low, and then we just have to keep an eye what the price will do there. If there it will be any price action for a buy. So watch it. You can go for the short-term selling. Okay, somewhere there. Watch if the price will become aggressive. You can go short-term selling. This will be 1-to-1 probably, and then you will start watching for the buy. Don't try to cash there. I don't know 1-to-10 trade. Okay, only 1-to-1 and get out. Once it will break the low, get out. It's not longer-term sell. You see, this is the 4-hour picture, and I'm not watching that this it will break out of the structure. At least not now. Okay, the price is not ready to break down. New Zealand USD, that one is still pushing lower. Setup, it's still there. Same setup for those who are holding the sells there. You can take out this trade, or you can watch for a new trade over there. Once this price will start to break down aggressively, you can simply join the trade to the downside. Okay, so easy trade there. and it's not hard to catch that sell. Okay, so this, keep an eye there. Strong break to the downside. Simply get into the trade, put your stop loss above the high, take the trade, and see how far it will go. At least 1 to 1, or if you will be happy and the trade will be aggressive, you will catch 1 to 2 trade over there. So good luck. Keep an eye there. It's a good trade. I will tag it over there. USDN. It started breaking higher. Okay, so if you're watching this on 15-minute pullbacks, you'll be able to catch that buy. Okay, so if you keep buying, great, you did a wonderful job. And all those buys supposed to be on break even. Okay, so move stop loss on break even, protect yourself, because these can go at any time soon for the deeper correction. Okay, so longer term buy, it's not yet confirmed, so you'll have to wait for it. You can see that we already break out of this daily downtrend. Okay, so you can see this daily structure is there, it's being broken out already. That's perfect sign, but we don't have a confirmation yet that this will continue to the upside. So what you'll have to do is wait this for a bit bigger correction, and this will confirm a longer wave to the upside. Okay, or at least 1 hour. 1 hour is the confirmation that we are waiting for. Okay, this short-term buy, okay, you can go for the short-term buy, but it's not gonna go far. At any time soon you will see the bigger, deeper correction, and then it will go up. Okay, so and this bigger correction will confirm that we can anticipate a longer term buys over there. Aussie cat went down really nicely. Okay, so what to anticipate? If you find on lower time frame any sell stops, you can simply join it. How far? All the way back to the trend line, and then you will have to exit the trade. Okay, I'm not interested there. Okay, the trade is already gone. If you catch it from there or there, you did a great job. Put it on break even and watch to take profit once it will take the trend line. So congratulations, you catch a nice trade over there on Aussie cat. Your cat, what can we see? Let's have a look. This can just break down. Okay, so I'm much more interested for this sell. Why? Because the potential is previous low. Okay, so will I go for the sell? Of course. Okay, once this it will start to break down and give me a nice opportunity to sell, I will take the sell, put my stop loss simply above the previous high, and this will be my target. Okay, so 1 to 3 will be a really nice trade to take the previous low. Okay, so keep an eye. If the buy will appear, I'm not interested. Okay, that's not a longer term buy. There's not a big potential. It's also a bad risk to reward ratio. So, yeah, those are the reasons why I'm not watching and anticipating basically that buy. In case if it will happen, I'm not worried about. Okay, I will not be in the trade. Okay, I will simply not be in the sell if this buy will appear. Okay, so yeah, I will simply just watch it, stay patient, and then I will be still watching for the sell. Urian, what do we have there? Yeah, this one will just go and tag the previous high. That's structurally what they do. This is the first impulsive wave, and we are having a structure or a correction, sorry. Again, then it will just push higher, tag that high, and then it will just start to turning to the downside. Okay, so if you would like to go for this small buy, you can go, but I don't see it going really, really far, at least not yet. Okay, so watch it there on lower time frame on 1 hour. Probably this smaller time frame flag will go tagging the 10 line, and then it will go and pushed to break this higher, and then it will start to breaking lower. So if you're interested, you can go for the short term buying. Okay, but I don't see the setup over there, and I don't want to risk my money in that kind of small moves. You're Aussie. That one's still looking for a sell. Okay, so I still didn't give up with watching it for a sell. I've been selling it over there for in those candles. Okay, there was a nice sell setup basically, and I took that on lower time frame. I have joined that sell, and yeah, I already take out my profit on break even. Okay, basically not profit. I closed my trade on a break even, and so just a second. Let me just check something. Okay, just a second, guys. Oh, sorry for that. Here, Ozzy, what I do anticipate there is that the price will be correcting and it can go tagging that low, but high, sorry. But I'm not interested for this move. Okay, keep selling it. As you can see, that 4-hour time frame is pointing to the downside. There is not any buy setup, and yeah, simply if there will be the buy, I will simply miss it or ignore it because there wasn't a buy setup. So it's quite tricky trade at the moment. You can just watch it. Okay, it's not ready yet. It will take a couple of days to form, so wait more. Here in New Zealand, that one seems it will go for one more high, at least tagging the trend line. So what can we anticipate there? It's probably some kind of the flat over there in the making. Okay, and yeah, lower time frame. Keep an eye there for your buy setups. Okay, so how far it can go? It will just go tagging the top. So yeah, curling all the way to the upside. Take the trade and take your profit once it will tag that high. So let me just redraw that. There are a lot of trend lines. Okay, they are just there for some reasons. Okay, so no, I'll delete that one. It just looks too aggressive. So yeah, this one. This will be your profit taking area. Okay, so once you get into this buy, okay, once you catch the buy setup, this is your profit over there. Okay, probably 1 to 2. Okay, so 1 to 2 you can take a profit off. It's nice profit. Don't expect it to break out of this structure, at least not now. Okay, I don't see this one breaking out, so no, don't be optimistic that this thing will break out to the upside. So yeah, watch to take profit at the previous stop, then keep on watching for your sell stops. Here, Chief, what can we have over there? There was some couple of buy setups, and yeah, this is the quite similar scenario as we have on New Zealand USD. Not exactly the same, but quite similar. Okay, so New Zealand USD is somewhere there. If it will not break down, then you can expect a breaking higher. Okay, so make sure you will keep your eyes on what the prices will be doing, and your chief doesn't have any buy neither sell setup. You just have to simply wait. Okay, so nothing is there. There was a easily buy setup, as you can see. Okay, so if you were waiting for this sell, it didn't appear. So you see, this is the power of wave analysis. Okay, so you are not in the trade if the trade will go into the other direction. Okay, so the wave analysis will protect your capital. You will not be into the trade if your analysis was wrong. Okay, so this is the really powerful thing, and yeah, you should learn it. Okay, master it. This is the powerful thing where you will make money. Let's go your GBP. Okay, this will go and start there probably couple more days. So what can we anticipate? A little bit higher going down, and then we can anticipate breaking out of this correction. Okay, so or it can go earlier. Let's have a look on 1 hour. It may go earlier, but the momentum is not there. So what you can do? Can I go for the buy? Yes, of course. You can search for your entry somewhere there for the buy. Okay, if it will go, this will be your target. If it will not break out, take your profit. It's going for new low. Okay, for those who would like to sell, you have to wait more. Okay, so this has to start at breaking down aggressively. If not, it will just climb higher, tagging that trend line, give us the price action over there, and then it will start to go lower. So yeah, you know where to sell. Sell only on a strong break to the downside. This is why my arrows are there. Okay, if it will go higher, if you're interested for this buy, I'm not. Then go for the sell, and then we'll watch for the buy. Okay, so this will be the turning point where we will watch for my buy setups. Pound USD, like we see the structure many times. Okay, this is the end of that correction, and we just have to see this move. Okay, so simply this structure needs to break down. Okay, so there are no many other reasons why this will go to the upside. Okay, so this simply has to break down, at least tagging that low. Okay, tagging that low, it's needed. And yeah, then we will start watching for our buy setups. Okay, so there is the nice money. Try to catch this sell opportunity there. Okay, I'm showing you a really nice trade there. It's probably 200 pips. Okay, let me just measure it. Okay, yes, there are 300 pips. Okay, so nice profit is there. Okay, 300 pips, or at least previous low. Okay, so let's have a measure. Previous low was there. So yeah, around 200 pips. Okay, 200 or 300 pip move. This is what I'm showing you. Make sure you will catch this move and share the profit with me, okay? So that would be really nice. Let's go. Pound Aussie, what can we see there? Pound Aussie can get quite complicated, okay? If you will watch closely what the pattern is formation there, okay, you can see that we are going into the complicated correction, okay, and then one more down, this will give us the bigger structure going higher, breaking that top, and then it will start to reverse. Okay, so make sure you will be really fast over there. This thing can get complicated over there. Okay, so make sure you are selling from the highs, otherwise you will have no time to manage your trades. Okay, so only sell from the tops, because otherwise you have no time to manage your trade. Simply as that. Okay. If you're not sure and if you're not skilled enough, you can sell it later. Okay. You will be able to sell it after breaking that trend line. Okay. So this will be your spot where you will start watching for sell if you are not sure or if you're not interested, just because of this kind of a scenario. Okay. So this can get complicated and it will stop you out and then it will go into your direction and then you will probably be mad. Okay, make sure this situation will not stop you out. Rather wait, okay? Try to stay patient in these cases. Pound New Zealand is going lower, okay? So there is no question where this is going and where this is heading to, okay? As you can see that this is heading all the way back to the trend line. And then what we will do, okay, so then one more possibility is to break those tops exist before breaking down. Okay, but what you can do, can I go for the sell? Of course. Okay, so if you are expecting this breakout, then you supposed to get in earlier. Okay, so somewhere there you will get into the trade and then you will watch it with your trade on break even, then you will watch what the price will do. If it will start to reverse, okay, you will close those sells with the break even. Once it will tag that highs, okay, break it, then you will start watching to sell again. Okay, so then you will be selling earlier before the breakout. Okay, then you watch the breakout appears. Okay, if the breakout will appear over there, congratulations, you have a nice trade. Okay, but you have to start selling earlier. Okay, you cannot start selling somewhere there. Okay, that makes no sense. You will be late over there, and basically your stop loss will be on the critical spot, and risk to reward ratio will also be bad. Okay, so you will be risking, I don't know, 100 euros for 20 euro profit. Okay, so that makes no sense over there. Let's move forward. Pound cat. This one, it will also start to pushing lower, so keep an eye. Once the market will open, you can spot the sell over there. Okay, so the breakout is already in the making, or appearing, or happening, or whatever you would like to say, and then the price will be keep pushing lower. Okay, so try to catch that sell. It's a medium term setup over there until the Wednesday. You're supposed to have some profit on your trading account. Okay, and then you'll simply watch if this will break down or it will go for a more high break and then pushing lower. So keep your eyes there. Pound chief, same there as the pound USD. Okay, so quite similar scenario, same pattern is there. Okay, so you have two ending diagonals over there. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is the bigger ending diagonal structure over there, and this is supposed to break down. Okay, so keep your eyes on for your sell stop. There is no buying. It doesn't matter what the lower time frame is showing. Okay, just ignore the lower time frame buy setups. Okay, the buy setup, it's not there, and make sure and be aware that if you would like to buy that, you are buying at the top, what is really dangerous. So make sure you are not doing that kind of stuff. Let's watch for the sell, wait for the stop, for the sell, sorry, and don't let the chart confuse you. Okay, sometimes if you go on lower time frame, you will get confused. So watch there. Pound yen, same there. Watch for sell stops. Watch for strong breakdowns. New Zealand yen. Okay, that one it's about to form the flat already probably. Okay, so we have one wave there, second is there, and the third wave will be there. Okay, so yeah, how far it is going? It is going about this low. Okay, at least tagging that low. Okay, this is the minimum what we will see. Okay, and then the price has to tell us if this will go to the upside or it will turn to the downside. Okay, so there is the turning point. There will be your eyes what the price will do around the previous bottom, if this will be the flat and turning to the upside. New Zealand cat, same there, watch for your sell setups. I don't see any buy setup over there, stop buying it. Okay, I see sometimes that people are buying New Zealand cat, that's not good, don't do that kind of stuff. Okay, this is going down, so make sure you will watch only for your sell stops. Stick to your lower time frame. Okay, so if you're experienced, you can find the sell stops on 5 to 15-minute pullbacks, and then you can simply join that sell. Also, New Zealand, you are probably late. Okay, so stay away from it. Okay, you will not catch any sell setup, but if you will do, then you will probably end up with a losing trade because this needs to correct deeper before tagging that bottom. Okay, so and this is the problem where you can get stuck with your sell. Okay, if you will start selling, then you will stop out and then you will miss the sell. So yeah, rather stay away from it. I will let you know once this correction will be ready, and yeah, easy. You have to stay patient, just listen. Okay, sit back, relax, and watch. Aussie yen, yes, is going for one more low. Okay, I see one more low over there, so watch for your sell stops on 1 hour. You will be able to spot the sell setups on Aussie yen, so make sure you watch for this sell over there and take some profit from it. Okay, some profit from it. Aussie chief, same there. You can also spot some sells over there and find the setup how far, at least taking that low, and then we'll have to decide what the price is about to do once it will take the previous low. New Zealand chief, watch for sell. Yes, definitely you want to sell it. Okay, so I will tag that New Zealand chief. It's a good potential over there, as you can see. So what you'll do, okay, watch there for your strong break to the downside. Okay, later on after the webinar, I will try to publish some charts. Okay, and then you will be able to find it on my TradingView profile, and then you can just redraw the structure to your profile and just watch it during the day how it will develop. For those who are new with wave analysis, try to use demo account and follow my analysis. You'll see how that will plays out basically. But you need some entry rules how you'll enter the market. You cannot simply join only on the entry. Okay, you can only join the sell if the analysis is there. Okay, you need entry strategy. You need the rules how you will enter the market. So don't just blindly press the sell based on analysis. Chief yen is showing some reversal. Okay, so we break the top. This is good sign, and we are showing some reversal signs. Okay, so what can we see? Okay, keep an eye there. This will be your sell setup first. Okay, this will be your time to manage your trade, and if you will be lucky, this it will just continue to the downside. Okay, we have a question. What do you think about Bitcoin? I will let you know and I will show you my analysis about Bitcoin. Just give me 5 minutes once we will reach it over there. Okay, so stay patient, just 5 to 10 minutes and we will be there. I'm just going step by step and you can see that we are almost there. Okay, so stay patient, wait, I will show you the analysis. So yeah, Chief Yen, watch for the sell. This is your profit taking area, or if you'll be lucky, congratulations, you have a nice trade which will give you a nice money over there. CAD Yen, let's have a look. There it is, the buy, but I'm not interested. Okay, so Can I go for the buy? Yes, of course you can go for the buy if you feel comfortable about that. Okay, so your buy should be once it will start to break higher or on lower time frame. But I know that you're not so skilled on lower time frame, so make sure you will stay there on 1 hour. So what the price will do, it will go up, it will go down, take that, give you the three-wave structure, and then it will start pushing higher. This is your buy setup, and this is where you will make money. Okay, so let the market do whatever it wants to do, and then you will go for this buy. Okay, this will be your buy setup. And yeah, you can just simply buy above the high, take your profit once it will take that trend line. So let's see. Yeah, once it will take the trend line, this will be your profit area. I'm just marking some setup. So same there, CAD Chief has the same setup as the CAD yen. Okay, so this is the CAD movement. I think that the CAD is getting stronger against the market. Okay, so all the CAD pairs on the first spot are looking for the buy. Okay, so CAD Canadian dollar looks it will get strong, or this will basically give us that kind of the move. And on the USD CAD we can spot a nice sell. Okay, so there it will be a sell if this will go to the upside. So make sure you will catch it. Mexican USD, Mexican breaking higher, breaking out of the structure. Don't buy anymore. Okay, stop it. You have no setup there. Okay, so how far it can go? It can go all the way back to the top, and then it can start turning to the downside. Okay, so let's try to extend the target and then looking for a sell over there. So nothing special is there. Probably stay away from it. I will show you the setups once it will be ready. Sugar. Okay, so sugar, it's not yet ready. Okay, so this can keep pushing lower on lower time frame. You will find the sell stop. I'm not watching that it will start to push higher, at least not now. Okay, the move is not yet there. It needs to go lower before it will continue to the upside. Okay, so basically for now it's doing good. Okay, it's still pushing lower, lower, lower. If you will try to sell the sugar, you will probably end up with this slow move. Okay, so slow move like this one. Okay, so you need double patient if you're trading into the correction. Okay, corrective movements are usually really slow, and you have to survive one pullback. Okay, so basically once you get in, you cannot move on break even really fast. You just have to survive one pullback, and then on second one you will be able to place your trade on the break even. Okay, so you'll do there the same. Okay, if you want to go for this sell, otherwise just simply watch for buys. US oil. Okay, US oil is getting quite complicated oil there. As you can see that the structure, it's not that easy to recognize, and there is where the most of traders are struggling about. Okay, so this is the structure in the structure. So we are having one structure, this is the another structure, and we have to complete the first structure, and then we will start to push higher. Okay, so make sure you will not stuck there with this sell. Okay, this sell, it's not looking good. Make sure you will skip it. Okay, let me just show you the 1 hour. 1 hour, it's much better picture over there and much more visible to you. So yeah, let it go and tag that bottom, then you will simply start watching for your buy setups. Okay, once the buys will come there, when the buy setups will come there, you will spot them easily. Same with UK oil. Okay, nothing is different there, so watch them for more wave to the downside. Okay, just a second, guys. Let me just grab some water. Okay, so let's move on. US 30. Keep selling. Okay, so this is keep going lower, so keep on watching for your sell stops. US 30. Okay, I've been warning you that you should not get stuck with the buy setups. So if you're new and if you are following us from not long ago, you should watch the previous weekly market outlook where I was warning do not buy. Okay, only sell, only sell. Same day, SP 500, only sell and keep selling. So watch for selling, keep selling there. German 30, same there. Okay, keep on selling. don't buy it. It's not ready for the buy yet. We need to tag those 10 lines before we will have to decide what the price is trying to do. Okay, so UK 100, it did us a really wonderful job over there. It gave us a nice sell setups over there. Okay, those were the sell stops. If you move on 1 hour, you will be able to spot them really nicely. Okay, so sell stop there and sell stop there. Okay, easily. That was the easily to recognize. And if you take that sell, you are doing really well. So what you will do, move your stops into the profit. So 1 to 1, probably this should be your 1 to 1 profit area. So you have to book some profit. Or once you see that this will start to correct, take off your profit and you will be simply joining a little bit later once the correction will be over. But yeah, congratulations. I got some positive feedback about UK 100. One trader has sent me the pictures that he was selling it over there. He did a nice money. Okay, congratulations for him. So you are probably listening to me. Okay, so you are there every Sunday. And yeah, keep on doing, keep on making money. Okay, I'm here to share the setups with you. You just have to watch them closely and you will make money. Okay, I can guarantee that you will make some money. So let's go. Let's start with our crypto. Okay, we have a lot of charts over there about the crypto. Okay, so I will go step by step and show you those crypto setups. Okay, so let's go. XRP. What we can anticipate over there is that the chart will probably struggle there for a couple more hours. Okay, what I want to see there is this going lower, give us the some flat, and then I will start watching for my buy setups. Okay, I will not rush to any buy, and yeah, simply sit back, relax, and let the correction complete. Bitcoin USD, okay, here it is. Here's our Bitcoin. What can you anticipate there on the Bitcoin? Okay, so if you will take a look closely, okay, if you will watch that closely, you will see that we are in the making of one structure in the middle. Okay, so what the price is doing, okay, as you can see that we are having the structure in the middle. So what can we anticipate based on that correction? We can anticipate that this it will go lower. How far? At least breaking this bottom. Okay, but this somewhere there, it will be your spot to watch for the buy stops. Okay, so how far then it will go? It will go quite far. This is the big structure in the making. This is the daily structure in the making. As you can see, I will delete that. It's just looking so confusing and stressful. So yeah, I would like to share with you the wonderful setup. Wonderful setups. 1, 2, 3, and then pushing higher. Okay, so make sure you watch for buying. If you're trying to sell, you can watch for some sell stops over there. Okay, easy setup. Let me show you the daily. Daily is also there. It's supporting our thinking process. Okay, so let it push lower and then we'll go for a buy over there. Nice setup. Okay, so you can basically watch for buying somewhere around 26k, somewhere there, and that's gonna go really really far. At least 44,000 it will be tagged, but I'm aiming the 48,000. Don't rely on that trend line over there. Okay, that's not there for, how to say, for stability. Okay, you cannot just simply wait that the price will come down. Okay, the price can go, once it will tag that low, let me just tag it. Okay, once the price will tag this low, it can start to turn. Okay, so if you'll be waiting to tag that turn line, it may never happen. Okay, it may never happen. So make sure once it will break that low, you will start watching for buy setup. Otherwise it can happen that you will miss it. Okay, simply you can miss the move to the upside if you will be waiting for this sell setup over there. Bitcoin euro, same there. Okay, so there's nothing special and nothing strange. Okay, same as Bitcoin USD. Bitcoin euro, this is my personal setup. Oh, why did I press 3 hours for? Sorry, 4 hours. Okay, so what I did, those are my buy setups. Okay, I bought some Bitcoin over there and I bought some Bitcoin over there. And what I will do, I will bought more Bitcoin once it will come back down. Okay, so easily keep an eye there, watch it. I will buy more. I am not over with those buys. Okay, so first buy there, second buy there, and the third attempt to buy will be there. Nice money on Bitcoin, so make sure you'll not miss it. Okay, there's also some nice money waiting for you. Okay, I don't see anything to trade there. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, yeah, nice buy setup. It's building. Okay, so keep an eye there. We have some impulsive movements from the trend line over there appearing, and yeah, let's track this sideways movement. Okay, this sideways movement will identify when the chart will be ready to rocket to the upside. LTC USD, let's have a look. Yeah, it's about to tagging that low, so nothing is there. LSK Bitcoin, wonderful opportunity to take some buys over there on LSK Bitcoin, sorry. Yeah, watch for your buy setup. It's a nice opportunity forming and preparing over there. AST Bitcoin air swap. What the air swap is trying to build is a buy setup. Okay, as you can see that air swap is building and preparing some buy setup over there. So keep your eyes there for a buy opportunity. How far it will go, at least tagging that trend line. Okay, at least tagging it, but I see it a little bit higher, something like 535. Okay, so 535 is my target somewhere there. So yeah, it's a worth of taking that trade. OMG, so on my go. Oh, still buy stop. Okay, wonderful buy stop. This is what I do exactly anticipate with Bitcoin. Okay, we are somewhere there on the Bitcoin. So I do anticipate Bitcoin drop down and pushing higher. So OMG, the on my go is the similar setup. We have a quite complicated correction over there. Okay, so correction is complicated, and I am watching to break at least that high. Okay, so keep your eyes on your buy setup. Watch it closely. ICX, the icon struggling there. Don't buy too early, okay? So if you're watching this buy, break even, okay? That's not looking good at the moment, so stay away from that. ICX is not looking good. GRT, that one was the amazing setup. This is where I took my buy, okay? My buys were there, one buy was there, okay? So watch it. Can we see more buy? Yes, we can, but make sure once it will start to break, put that on break even really fast. Okay, it can turn at any time soon into the bigger correction, and you should not get stuck over there. Okay, so profit is there, so we are about to take profit already. KNC is about to pushing higher also. Okay, but let me just have a look. Be aware, seriously, be aware, these can break down. Okay, these can break down, and make sure you will not get stuck with your buy over there. Okay, it's really dangerous spot at the moment. Only sharp break to the upside can be a buy opportunity. Okay, don't buy early, no risk taking entries, don't buy on trend line and so on. Only sharp break to the upside, you can take that buy easily. Sharp break to the downside, ignore. Hedra, nothing there. Okay, it will go higher, but it's not ready yet. Okay, I'm not watching it. ANKR, that's about to complete some kind of the running flat before it will push higher, so nothing is there. Ocean Bitcoin, it's trying to build and prepare some buy stops, so you can watch it slowly. Okay, so watch lower time frame. It's supposed to go for this move over there. Die AI, make sure. Yeah, that's not looking good. Okay, you can buy above the high. Okay, once it will start to push higher. So dot, nothing there. Skip it. Skip it. Link, chain link. Skip it. Okay, it's not ready yet. I'm not interested. It's too dangerous. This can just go up and then one more down before going higher. This is, I don't see that this is all the correction. Okay, I see that we need more. Okay, so this will go probably higher. dropping down, going higher, dropping down, and then to go. Okay, so it will get quite complicated before it will break out of this structure. So make sure you will not get stuck over there. DNT district, nothing, skip it. XTZ, you can buy above the high, but yeah, it will also get complicated before it will go. So move your trade on break even really fast. There is nothing. CRV, okay, nothing there. Okay, this trade supposed to be on break even. Okay, so there was the break even, and new order didn't trigger, so keep an eye there. It can still push higher. So what you can do, okay, just simply pull the trend line over there. Can I watch to buy more? Of course you can, but you need a strong break to the upside. Okay, this move, and then you can start buying. That Bitcoin, nothing there. Skip, nothing there. Air, nothing. Neo is trying to push higher. Okay, so this breakout can appear at any time soon, so watch for this move. Okay, so how that will look like this. Watch for this move. Okay, only strong break to the upside. Search for entries on lower time frame. ADA. This correction will get bigger. Be careful. This could be all the correction, and not this should not be all the correction. Sorry. And yeah, one more down, tagging that low, and then we can watch for the buy. So make sure you are not got stuck out. Also there, Rand Bitcoin, watching it to tag the high. So this is it. Right to the upside is still there. You can watch on lower time frame. It may give you some buy setups. Yes, as you can see. Okay, so expanded flat is forming over there. How far? At least taking that away. You have a couple of more setups over there. Zag Bitcoin, nothing. It's showing some sells at the moment. Okay, so wait also there. Take profit if you are buying it from somewhere. Okay, there. Take profit. BQX, nothing. Stay away. Stay away. Okay, much of setups you have to stay away because I know that you're not skilled enough, and I don't recommend you to go for this trade. Okay, you need to be trained to take those trades. Ion, this is the really interesting setup. Why? Because we had the correction, we break down, and we made a new low. Now we are trying to reverse. Okay, good setup. So you can watch for your buy setups over there. How far it can go? It can go break those top totally, and it can continue to the upside. Okay, so if you watch the daily setups, okay, daily, what the daily did exactly? It made new low. This is the good sign because we ended the correction there. Okay, this correction supposed to be over, and now we will be buying it. Okay, so keep an eye there, watch it, and start buying. Algo, nothing, skip it. Nothing is there also. FTM, nothing there yet. Sell is there. Okay, so ignore the buy. I mean, there's not the buy. There's only the sell setup. Comp, nothing there. Loom, nothing there. Ignore. Excellent, nothing there. UNI, nothing there. What is there? iOS TB, nothing there. Okay, so yeah, there was my buy setup, and I took it off on break even so easily. The correction is getting bigger. Okay, this is all the correction now. Let me just draw that correctly, like this, and watch it, and then we'll go higher. AOS, nothing there. We'll update you guys, so no worries. So there is a still sell possible. Can you buy? Yes, of course. You can buy on strong break to the upside. So watch it somewhere there to strong break to the upside. 1 hour setup could play out there really well. Sell setup, can it appear? Of course. Okay, the sell can also appear, but then you will not be triggered there over there on this trade. SNX, nothing. ANG, nothing. If you took the buy there, take it off. It's not going anywhere, and it's just struggling. So yeah, it may appear as sell. So yeah, don't buy go there. BLZ, nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there also. Let me just check a higher time frame. Let's look. You can buy only above the height. I'm not sure that this is all the correction. Okay, I'm not sure that this is all the correction and it is about to go. Okay, it could be quite complicated as it looks right now. Okay, so one more down, one more up, and then one more down, and then it will go. Okay, so this is what we can have over there before going higher. This part is missing, so mm, only buy above the high if you think that this is the buy, and you should buy it. Just buy it there. Otherwise, stay away from it. GFI, nothing. Stay away. FOR. If you were buying, great job. What you can do, you can still buy some more buy before tagging this high. So watch it. Going lower, high. This one is complicated also. You see, this is the example where you should not ignore the spike. Okay, so sometimes I see that people are ignoring the spikes, but spikes are not there, or wicks, however you will call it. They are not there just for nothing. Okay, they are there with a reason. Okay, they are there with the reason, and what the Nebilo, for example, this chart will do, it is about to take the trend line and then it can go higher. So make sure you're not ignoring, never ever on your chart, the wicks. So this is going down and you have no trades at the moment. Beat shares, nothing. Skip it. DOGE, okay, DOGE, they are talking about this DOGE. Ooh, that was a nice trade, okay. I have bought the DOGE somewhere there. That was a risky trade, okay. That was a risky trade. And yeah, it did really nice. So what the price can do right now, that's supposed to correct now, and you can buy more, okay? You can buy more all the way back to that high, and this will be your profit. Keep an eye on it. So looping, nothing is there. The correction is over, okay? So we have an impulse. This is the running flat. It is about to complete, okay? So just a little bit to go, okay? One more to go. Okay, this one more to go is there, but it's not showing. Okay, that's probably gonna go for the bigger correction, and then it will go tag the trend line, and then it will drop down totally. So make sure that this correction will complete before you'll start watching for your buy setups. Luna Bitcoin, that's also going to appear a bigger correction. 1 to 3 there, going down, give you the big correction and going higher, so nothing is there. Bitcoin dominance, let's have a look. It is about to push lower. Okay, correction going lower. Okay, so this is everything for today, guys. Let's have a quick look on some stocks. EasyJet, it went down really nicely, so no more buying, no more selling. Those who were selling it, wonderful job. Okay, take your profits off slowly. Uh, Amazon looking like a sell over there. Okay, so this will continue to going lower, tagging this low. Okay, so this is what we do anticipate there on Amazon. Apple pushing lower. Okay, so you can start selling. This is the running flat, okay? This is the first and second wave of the running flat. Third wave is missing. It's about to complete over there. Okay, so you can try to get some sales, short-term sales over there, and you can take your profit off. Watch there, it will go down also. Watch for a sell stop. Tesla, be aware. This can just push higher, so don't aggressively buy. Okay, I don't recommend you to buy there. We are really at the top, so make sure you are not buying too fast. Rather skip it. Okay, it's not time for buying. Facebook going lower. How far it is going? Is going to break this low. Nvidia, nothing there. Okay, so sideways is there, and yeah, it's going lower. Probably it will go take this low. Yes, we have first wave, second wave, third wave is in the making, and we will go tag that low. Okay, tagging the low is quite possible there in the upcoming days. Here's the arrow, so you'll know what we are talking about. AMD, correction is there, so yeah, but don't buy neither sell. Okay, there's nothing to do. Okay, so this is it. So I hope, guys, that you have enjoyed our daily webinar, weekly webinar, sorry, daily webinar. Tomorrow you are welcome to join us on daily webinar. We will go through all those setups which are about to trade. Okay, so I will be doing those daily webinars from Monday to Friday, and you will be able also to ask me any questions. So you are welcome. Okay. I hope that you will make some money with us and learn something new and something different just totally for free. Okay. If you were happy with our webinar, just simply share the link with others. Okay, that may help to others so everyone will making money. Okay, so see you tomorrow and take care and enjoy your evening. Take care. Bye bye.